Hello and welcome to InsideWi-Fi, Video 29. Unseen Zone Around Wi-Fi Signals, the Fresnel Zone. When you're learning about Wi-Fi, especially outdoor links or point-to-point or long-distance connections, the Fresnel Zone is a key concept that helps you understand how radio signals actually travel. Have you ever had Wi-Fi that looks like it has a strong signal, but still cuts out or feels unstable? It might not just be about signal bars or line of sight. There's something else at play, called the Fresnel Zone. The Fresnel Zone is a critical but often underestimated factor in achieving reliable Wi-Fi and other point-to-point wireless communication. While having a clear line of sight between antennas is important, it alone isn't enough. Surrounding this direct path of radio waves is the Fresnel Zone, an elliptical region that significantly influences signal integrity. Properly understanding and accounting for the Fresnel Zone is essential, as it directly affects signal strength, minimizes interference, and ultimately determines the overall quality and reliability of a wireless connection. What is a Fresnel Zone? Radio signals don't just travel in a straight line. They spread out in an elliptical, rugby-ball shaped region around the line between the transmitter and receiver. This region is called the Fresnel Zone. The size of this bubble of clear space depends on two factors: the distance between the antennas and the frequency of the radio waves being used. The higher the frequency and the shorter the distance, the smaller the Fresnel Zone. Why is the Fresnel Zone important? Obstructions within the Fresnel Zone can cause destructive interference and multipath effects, leading to weaker signals and reduced reliability in long-distance Wi-Fi connections. Keeping the Fresnel Zone clear is essential for maintaining strong and stable wireless performance. What are multiple Fresnel zones? Fresnel developed a calculation to determine the phase difference between the wave at the transmitter and receiver. The Fresnel Zone is a 3D elliptical shape, with multiple concentric zones. Zone 1 represents the area with the strongest signal strength, followed by progressively weaker signals in Zone 2, Zone 3, and so on. While there are multiple Fresnel zones, only the first three significantly impact signal strength. Phase cancellation in even-numbered zones has the greatest negative effect, whereas odd-numbered zones can enhance signal strength. Determining Fresnel Zone clearance. Generally, blocking 20% of the Fresnel Zone results in minimal signal loss, while blockage exceeding 40% leads to noticeable signal degradation. To establish Fresnel zones, begin by identifying the RF line of sight, which is essentially the direct straight line between the transmitting and receiving antennas. The formula for determining the radius of the widest point of the Fresnel Zone in meters is 17.32 multiplied by square root of d by 4f. Where d is the distance in kilometers between the two antennas and f is the frequency in gigahertz at which you are transmitting. The formula for determining the radius of the widest point of the Fresnel Zone in feet is 72.05 multiplied by square root of d by 4f. Where d is the distance in miles between the two antennas and f is the frequency in gigahertz at which you are transmitting. In our next video, let's see the secret formula for reliable Wi-Fi. The link budget. Thanks for watching. Do post your comments.